Have you ever looked at Google Earth and thought, wait, what the hell is happening here? Like, is this real, or did the planet just glitch? Some places literally look like the map just broke. Today, we're checking out 5 insane spots that look like glitches on Google Earth. You're about to see some of the weirdest, most mind-bending places on our planet. And trust me, some of these look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Stick around because number 1 will completely mess with your brain. Number 5, Desert Breath Spiral, Egypt. First stop, Egypt. Not the pyramids, not the Nile, but way out in the eastern desert near the Red Sea. If you're flying over there on Google Earth, your jaw might drop. There's this massive spiral etched into the sand. I'm talking huge, like miles wide. It curls in on itself perfectly, concentric circles stretching out from the center, like someone literally copy-pasted a hypnotic pattern right onto the desert. Now, this wasn't some natural accident or alien thing. Nope. Humans made this back in the late 90s. Artists Dalziel and Scullion used trucks to push the sand into these curves, creating one of the biggest pieces of land art you'll ever see. Up close on the ground, it looks beautiful, but it feels almost normal. From above, your brain flips. It looks digital, like some half-rendered game map. No wind or erosion should leave sand that perfect for decades. And yet, here it is, slowly fading, but still staring at you like a glitch in the desert. People sometimes freak out thinking it's ancient or alien technology, but it's just humans showing off a little. The scale of it from above is insane. You zoom out and your brain is like, this shouldn't exist. That's the beauty of it. And it's the perfect way to start our list because it immediately messes with your sense of what's real. Number 4, Pivot Irrigation Circles, Saudi Arabia. Next, let's head over to Saudi Arabia. You're flying over the desert, expecting nothing but sand and rocks, and then all of a sudden, green circles appear. And not just 1 or 2, dozens of them. Huge, perfectly circles of green against the beige desert. From above, it looks like someone tried to patch a texture pack, and half of it didn't load. Your brain goes, wait, why are there glowing dots in the sand? What's actually happening is humans again, but this time with technology. Farmers use something called center pivot irrigation. It's basically a giant sprinkler arm that spins in a circle, watering the crops. Outside that circle, nothing, just desert. The contrast between the green crops and the barren land is unreal. It's like the planet itself is showing off a glitchy screenshot. Saudi Arabia has been using this technique for years to make the desert grow food, so the number of circles keeps increasing as satellites catch more and more of them over time. Shadows and sunlight make them look even stranger, like glowing discs scattered across the land. Up close, they're normal farms, but zoom out, and it's pure digital glitch energy. Your brain doesn't know how to process it, and that's what makes it so captivating. Number 3, Lake Hillier, Australia. All right, now let's fly way down south to Australia, to a place called Middle Island. And here's a lake that will make you stop and just stare. Bright pink water, bubblegum pink, against a deep blue ocean on one side and a green forest on the other. It looks fake, like someone spilled paint and forgot to blend it in Photoshop. From Google Earth, it screams color error. The lake isn't some artificial thing either. It's nature. It's pink because of algae and bacteria that thrive in the super salty water. They produce pigments called carotenoids, the same stuff flamingos get from their food. And yes, it's hypersaline, but safe to swim in if you're adventurous. Over time, the color shifts slightly, depending on evaporation and sunlight, which just makes it look even more otherworldly. From above, the border between the pink lake and the surrounding forest looks so sharp that your brain just wants to correct it. It's almost too perfect to be real, and that's why it feels glitchy. Drone shots show the same thing. The pink is vivid, unnatural, impossible looking. But it's just biology doing its thing. And honestly, when you see it from space, you start wondering what else is out there, hiding in plain sight, just waiting to glitch your perspective. Number 2, Gobi Desert Hexagons, China. Next up, China. Deep in the Gobi Desert, something wild happens. You're scrolling around thinking it's just sand and rocks, and suddenly, hexagons. Perfect, straight-edged hexagons stretching for miles, thousands of them. Your brain immediately thinks the satellite imagery glitched or someone overlaid a 3D model on the desert. But no, it's real. These are natural formations. Basalt rock, cracked by wind, water, and natural erosion over thousands of years, creates these polygon shapes. Some are the size of football fields, some stretch even longer. And it's not a farm, it's not a mine, it's not man-made at all. It's just nature trolling your eyes. Hikers who've been there say it's bumpy, rough, and totally unlike what it looks like from above. The ground is jagged and uneven. But zoom out, and your brain interprets repetition as code. It's fascinating how the Earth can look so artificial without anyone touching it. That's why it feels like a glitch. Your mind doesn't know what to make of it, and it's mesmerizing. Number 1. Yamal Crater, Siberia. Finally, we land in northern Siberia, on the Yamal Peninsula. And this one's kind of terrifying. Craters. Huge craters. The kind that makes it look like the ground itself is glitching, like the terrain got deleted. They're fresh, jagged, and some are nearly 100 feet wide. From above, with snow partially covering them, they look like errors in a map, like the planet itself is breaking. So what's causing it? Methane explosions. Deep in the permafrost, gas builds up over the years and eventually blows out, leaving massive craters. Climate change is making this happen faster, and some of the craters are near active gas fields, which just amps the effect. Teams have rappelled down some of them, and yes, lakes are forming at the bottom. But nothing alien or radioactive, just Earth venting gas like a broken system. From above, they're terrifying. They feel unreal. You zoom in, and your brain wants to call it a glitch, because the ground looks like it just failed. And the reality is, it's happening right now. New craters appear over time. That's the thing about Earth. It's alive. And sometimes it looks like it's mid-render, right in front of our eyes. Honestly, all of these places prove one thing. Reality is weirder than fiction. The Earth itself can look broken, glitched, or unreal if you just change your perspective. These spots make you pause, stare, and think, wait, is this even real? And the crazy part? Every single one is real. So here's a challenge. Pause this video, open Google Earth, and hunt these spots yourself. Scroll over the desert spiral in Egypt. Check out those perfect irrigation circles in Saudi Arabia. Zoom in on Bubblegum Lake Hillier in Australia. Fly across the honeycomb hexagons of the Gobi and hover over the Yamal craters in Siberia. I guarantee your brain will double take at least a few times. Which of these blew your mind the most? Was it the hypnotic spiral in Egypt? The glowing green desert dots in Saudi Arabia? That neon pink lake in Australia? The repeating hexagons in China? Or the giant holes in Siberia that look like the planet is literally glitching? Drop it in the comments, because I want to see which one messed with your head. If you like this, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, because next time we're diving into even more spots that make you question reality. And trust me, there are plenty more. Until then, keep your cursor ready, your zoom level high, and your brain open. The Earth is glitchier than you think. Thanks for watching.